cleaning day at the cantina. I've made some shorts about it, but I thought it would be cool to do longer style videos as we move through this process and get to the cantina ready. So I will give you a tour of the winery and you'll see what needs to be done. So here we go. So here we are going inside of the cantina. As you can see, there is some cleaning to be done. The floors need a lot of love. The shelves need organizing, but look at the ceiling. It's absolutely stunning. So here, it's a little reception area. Here, there's an elevator. I'll show you the room that it leads down to after. If you move through here, there's a washroom. I started cleaning it, but there's still a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. But you can see these ceilings are just gorgeous throughout the cantina. Floors here. There's a shower, needs a significant clean. And then this window in the bathroom, whoops, opens up here. As we move out of the bathroom, there's a little storage corner here. Here is the gorgeous grand tasting room. I think this will be a great tasting room, so we need to put these things in another part. And again, just give it a good organizing, cleaning. But look at those high ceilings. Isn't that just stunning? And then this great window, when it's really sunny out, brings in such good lighting. And as we move in here, we have all of the wine, almost all of the wine. It's a little dark in here, but there's some wine barrels. So you can see the walls need to be cleaned and repainted, but overall, it's in good shape. Look at these high ceilings again. So here's the outside of the cantina, the front part. I'm just walking alongside the back of the cantina to go to the downstairs cellar where there are more wine barrels. So if we just head around the corner here, here is the cellar. Up here, that room where I said will be the tasting room, this is the window, and right below it we have some beautiful wine barrels. Look at that. They're just stunning. So it's being professionally cleaned here right now because that's what needs to be done. You can see a lot of cleaning happening. Some more barrels, and we're gonna add even more barrels. So we have a lot of wine that needs to get done. You can see this view is just absolutely stunning. And we move through here. So I mentioned the elevator earlier. The elevator comes down here. This room, these walls really need to be cleaned and repainted, but the structure is in fantastic, perfect condition. So you can see here, we're gonna get that clean. And again, just look at those ceilings. They're just stunning. Just beautiful. And in front of the cantina, you can see these gigantic cypress trees. I don't know how old they are, but I will find out. They are massive. Absolutely stunning. There's even the machine that separates the grapes from the stem here in front of the cantina. A nice walkway, some baby cypress trees. And then that walkway leads to this beautiful cantina. So that is a very brief tour of the cantina. I'm feeling excited. I think we're gonna do something pretty cool. But it's an evolution, it's a process.